Nice. It just restarted. This guy have two bullets. See? You just pick it up, check it out, and now we'll put it back so we can have some fun taking a video of him. Because the green one on the left, I think the motor is died. Now we'll be smart and put a hook to grab the other one back. Let's see what he's doing. Amazing, huh? Look how beautiful. Nice autumn day in the park. The sun is all on that side. It's so beautiful. I always come here and I have a good time. What a beautiful sky. But I wonder if he's gonna have his way, catch the other boat. See, that's the guy. He just put a boat on, and now we'll be able to get a hook to the one that is all the way there. See? Stuck in the water. Exactly. It'll be nice. If he can do it, I'm gonna say chapeau my head to him. Okay. Please get his yuck. He's gonna get the other one, you watch it. Let's take his time. Yes, that's what he's doing. Oh, unreal. That guy is smart. Okay. Now, what he's gonna do with that? Okay, slowly. He'll try to push it. Like a towing truck. Okay, hopefully the other one. See, this one doesn't budge. And the one that maybe he will use will look nice. See?